Everyone, hope you were all well. So here is another sing-song from Mrs. Dowling. Wearing a silly wig, for just like wearing a silly wig. Keep everybody happy, do something daft. So you have to dress up when you're singing this song. It's a fantastic song, but for this song you are going to need to be able to use all of your lung space and your diaphragm. So always remember that piece of string that's attached to your head, pulling you up, making you nice and tall, so that when you're singing you can take big breaths and really get those long words out. And there's a very, very long word in this song. It is supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, and I bet quite a few of you have heard of that word before. So I'm going to sing it. Now the words and the music and the backing track are all on a website called Sing Up, and they have released some free songs for people to sing along to whilst we're all doing our learning at home. So if you want to go onto that website and sing the song for your class teacher and then upload it onto Seesaw, they will let me know, and I can see your wonderful singing, especially if you are in Miss Youngcast or Miss Scott's class, because I see all of your Seesaw posts anyway. So it'd be great to hear some of you singing one of the songs that we've been putting on our Facebook page. Okay, so here we go. Remember, big breaths, lots of teeth and tongue to get you saying those words really, really carefully, because there's lots and lots and lots of tricky words where you're going to have to really pronounce those words. See, I can't even do it myself. Pronounce those words really, really carefully. Okay, here goes then.
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, even though the sound of it is something quite atrocious. If you say it loud enough, you'll always sound precocious. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, diddly-um-dilly-um-dilly.
Now that word, diddly-diddly-diddly. See if you can get it better than I can. Diddly-diddly-diddly. Oh, it's very, very tricky. Right, okay, we'll sing it again, and I'm just going to put on the backing track this time. Off we go.
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, even though the sound of it is something quite atrocious. If you say it loud enough, you'll always sound precocious. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, diddly-diddly-um-dilly, because I was afraid to speak when I was just a lad. My father gave me nose a twig, told me I was mad. But one day I learnt a word to save me aching nose, the biggest word you've ever heard, and this is how it goes. Oh, supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, even though the sound of it is something quite atrocious. If you say it loud enough, you'll always sound precocious. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, diddly-diddly-um-dilly. He travelled all around the world, and everywhere he went, he'd use his word and always say, there goes a clever gent. When dukes and maharajas pass the time of day with me, I say my special word and then they'd ask me out to tea. Oh, supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, even though the sound of it is something quite atrocious. If you say it loud enough, you'll always sound precocious. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, diddly-diddly-um-dilly. So when the cat has got your tongue, there's no need to dismay. Just summon up this word and then you've got a lot to say. But better use it carefully or it can change your life. One night I said it to my word and now bewails my wife. Oh, supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, even though the sound of it is something quite atrocious. If you say it loud enough, you'll always sound precocious. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Well, there was two bits in there that I definitely took a sneaky breath in the middle of the whole word of supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, and that's what I didn't want to do. So I need to go back and do some more practicing and try and get the whole of the song with only taking a breath at the end of each sentence. There's your challenge. Hope you enjoy singing it. Don't forget, backing track, music, words, all on the Sing Up website in the Learning for Home section. See you later. Bye.